friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Stephanie, and on today's episode, we're making candles. So yeah, you heard that right. We're crafting today. So today we're gonna make beeswax candles. I've got a few jars. I have a few jars that I have in my oven. I'm just keeping them on warm. That way when we pour it, hopefully it doesn't set up too quickly. So while that's in the oven, I'm gonna go ahead and start melting my wax. I've got my wax. I have 1 pound of beeswax in here, and I'm just gonna set this in my pot. And this is just acting as a double boiler. You don't want to put your wax directly into a pot because you run the risk of burning the wax, which you don't want. We want our wax to get to 185 degrees. And when that happens, we're gonna add our coconut oil. And I'm debating on a fragrance. This is called Black Cherry Merlot. It smells so good. So I think what I might do is a batch scented and then a batch just clean, just straight beeswax, but I don't know. I'm not selling these or anything. They're just for me, so it doesn't really matter. I don't know. We'll do the fragrance. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. All right, I'm gonna bring you around so you can see what's going on. We're slowly melting, and I've just got like an old skewer. Beeswax sticks to everything, and I like to have dedicated tools when I'm making candles, and this is just one of those things. Okay, let's see where we are. We're getting there. All right, turn this down a little bit. You don't want your water getting in your wax. Let's see where we are. Okay, so our wax is nice and melted. We're gonna add our coconut oil, and that won't take long to melt. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and pour my fragrance in. And I'm gonna just turn this down, and then I'm gonna get my jars. Now, like I said, I had these in the oven because I wanted to keep the jar warm. Now, I don't know how many candles I'm gonna get out of this, so I'm just gonna do all these. I'm gonna go ahead and pour. Like I said, I don't know how many I'm gonna get, so I'm just gonna start. All right, my battery died. Okay, so this is the one thing I hate about these little glue dots. They decide they wanna come unhinged when I don't want them to. Okay, I don't even have enough for a little one. All right, I'm gonna add more wax to my thing, and then I'm gonna do these 3 little ones. So we'll be right back. All right, guys, round 2. I had to pour a little bit more wax. Okay, we should be good to pour. I'm gonna do the little ones first. So I didn't put any scent in these. The only scent that is in there is just from what was in the actual, the residue. Whoopsies, don't do that. All right, guys. And these ones, they've already started to set up. Smells so good. So once these harden up, we'll let them harden overnight, and then we'll cut the wicks and everything. But just a fun little project. I wanted to make some beeswax candles, and I thought I would show y'all or take y'all along. Hey friends, so our candles are done. We've let them gel, chill, whatever the phrase is, set, I guess is the proper term, for a few days. So I've got one burning here. They turned out so good. So I did some with a scent, which was a black cherry Merlot. I figured that would kind of go well with the scent of the beeswax. And then I've got some that are not scented. So it was a really quick and easy project. One day I'm gonna have bees, so then I'll have my own beeswax. But until then, you can purchase beeswax online. I'll link some sources where you can buy your own beeswax and make candles. I would suggest though that once you have your little melter for the beeswax, that's the one that you use, because it is a pain in the behind to get off. So anyway, that's my only little word of wisdom on that. But yeah, I hope you try this. It was a fun and easy little project. Thank you again, guys, for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will make sure to link all the supplies that I used down in the description. If you have any questions, comments, please make sure you leave those. I will see y'all next week. Bye.